ABC's alphabet for kids using medical terms and body parts. Now it's time to learn our ABCs. Do you know your ABCs? Well, let's start with A. A's for arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. B is for bones. Bones are the hard, strong parts of our bodies that protect our organs and give us support. C is for cells. Cells are the tiny building blocks that make up all living things. D is for the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that helps us breathe. E is for the ear. Ears help us to hear sounds, and they also help us to keep our balance. F is for the femur. The femur is the thigh bone, the longest bone in the human body. G is for gallbladder. It helps us every day. It stores the bile for digestion to break the fats away. H is for the hand. Hands help us to do lots of things like playing, eating, and drawing. I is for the intestines. The intestines are long, winding tubes that help us to digest food. J is for the jaw. The jaw is the bone that holds our lower teeth. K is for the knee. The knee is a joint where the femur, that's the thigh bone, meets the tibia, that's the shin bone. L is for the lungs. Lungs are the organs that we breathe with. M is for muscles. Muscles help us to move our body. N is for the nose. The nose is on your face. It's the organ that you smell with. O is for esophagus, a tube inside of you.
Okay.
It helps your food go to your tummy. It knows just what to do. It's like a little slide that works all day and night. P is for the pancreas. The pancreas is an organ that helps control the amount of sugar in our blood. Q is for the quadriceps, the strong muscles in the front of your thighs that help you run, jump, and stand up. R is for red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen around our body. S is for the stomach.
Okay.
The stomach is an organ that helps to digest food. T is for tongue, the soft muscle in your mouth that helps you taste food and talk. U is for uvula, the little flap that hangs in your throat and helps you speak and swallow. V is for veins. Veins carry blood back to the heart. W is for the windpipe. The windpipe is the tube that air travels through when we breathe. X is for X-rays. An X-ray is a picture of the bones inside our body. Y is for yawn, when your mouth opens wide to take a big breath, helping your body feel sleepy or relaxed. Z is for zygomatic arch, the cheekbone that gives your face its shape. Now you know your ABCs. What medical terms and body parts can you think of that start with each letter of the alphabet? Share your ideas below and subscribe for more videos.